What's up everyone, Chris at Dentless Touch. I want to thank you for joining us on this PDR repair. This time around we have a GMC Sierra, courtesy of one of our local body shops. Again, dent is similar to the Dodge Rebel that we did about a week ago. If you haven't seen that video, it'll probably be up in one of these corners. Go ahead and check that out. So we have roughly about an 8 to 9 inch dent, maybe even larger than that. Here on the body line, lower part of the door, very similar to that Rebel. I'm gonna try not to take the door apart again or the door off. I'm still kind of in limbo mode on that. We're gonna see how well the perfect pull, which is right beside the door, see how well it pulls. See how well it pulls and see if I can actually get some power with it. If I'm not able to, it's not the fault of the perfect pull, because I am just starting to learn how to incorporate this tower mechanism in my repair. So it'll be user error, not probably the tool. So let's go over my approach. It's basically using the perfect pull to grab the center of the dent right there on the body line, put some tension, forcing it the direction where it needs to go as I knock down or release knock down the crown and release the tension into this dent. I think if I'm able to do that, then I can just tool the rest of the repair alongside of glue. Now, I was working on the other side of this vehicle, so I know how these doors are constructed, and there is some bracing around here, which does help in a sense because it gives you some leverage point. So I'm pretty confident that, well, I should say I'm about 50% sure that I can get this damage done without taking the door off the car. If I do, you guys will see it. But for right now, we're using the perfect pull. We're gonna put some tension on that center of the dent and then do some blending action, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Before we get started, if you could hit that like button or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or just leave a comment. Any one of those actions allow us to grow as a channel, and we greatly appreciate it. So let's get started. I want you guys to focus on this crown right here. You try to move the light so you can see. It's a big, huge crown right here that I'm gonna attack.
what's up guys? Dave here with Dentless Touch. If you guys are interested in learning paintless dent repair, there's going to be a link in the description below, or head to our website at www.dentlesstouch.com. Now back to the video.